Well, good morning, and you find us on our first full day in Skye. We set off Saturday to Glencoe. The weather wasn't brilliant in Glencoe. Got a few images in yesterday morning and drove up to Skye. I didn't get an awful lot of pictures, but now we're here at the Quiraing to start of the workshop correctly, so now we're on Skye. So yeah, I mean, you can hopefully see behind me there is a bit of colour there. Yeah, it's pretty impressive. Yeah, if I move around that way so you can see there. I don't know whether you can see the tree behind me. I have taken an image of the tree, which, if it's any good, I'll put up on the video. So yeah, I'm not sure how much we're going to video. So anyway, yeah, if you enjoyed the videos, please click thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing, why not subscribe to the channel? And yeah, I'll put the image of the tree up now, and we'll see you shortly. Right, we've just come up from the tree, and that's more or less our composition. You can see that the camera's there. I've still got quite a bit of colour in the sky, and we've got the small lochans, and the one there nearest that rocky outcrop is reflecting a bit of the colour in the sky. So yeah, if we just look at the back of the camera there, we've got 100 ISO f11, and we've got it set it to 0.3 of a second, but we are bracketing. It's such a dynamic range, we're bracketing to try and get the whole scene in. So yeah, if that's any good, we'll put it up on the video, and then we're just going to have a wander around, see what else we can find. So we'll see you a bit later. Alright, well, the sun's fully up now, but we've come to this spot because it seems to be light in the rocks and that just over there. So I thought I'd try the shot, and you've got, I don't know whether you can see, there's the road in the composition as well. So yeah, I think we're going to head off shortly. The light's getting, I think we've had the best of the light. So yeah, if this composition's any good, we'll put the image up after this. But yeah, the Quiraing's an amazing place. You can see over there all the rocks and whatever. It's and I'd like to come sometime on my own when maybe got a couple of days just to totally wander around here. So I don't know. But I think breakfast calls shortly, so And if I didn't mention, I'm on a workshop organised by Nigel Hepplewhite under I've forgotten the name, but I'll put all the details in the description below of where you can find out about his workshops, etc. So I'm not quite sure where we're going after breakfast. And maybe going to Elgol for sunset today. So I'm not going to video every day, but I thought I'd do today. So yeah, it's a good start at the Quiraing, and then we'll head off elsewhere. So we'll see you a bit later. Right, well, good afternoon. We've now come to Elgol. I didn't video what we've done in the middle of the day. I thought if we just do the beginning at the Quiraing and the evening here at Elgol. So as you can see, if I turn around here, there's the loch, and then the mountains, etc. behind. And as you can see, just over no, this side over me left shoulder, you can see the jetty going out. When we got here, there's a large workshop had just arrived, and they've gone to the normal place we do images from. So I thought we'd come down here, see what we can get. And yeah, it's a nice evening at the moment. The sun's out, relatively clear skies. So yeah, we'll just keep going, and yeah, we'll see you shortly. Right, we found our first composition. You can see the camera there, and if I just come over, we're looking out there with the jetty and the mountains beyond. So what I'm going to do is set the camera to record, so you'll see the image. So what we've got is the jetty running down the side as a leading line, and then we've got the two main mountains there. I have taken a couple of images with that at normal shutter speed, but what I am trying to do in particular is a long shutter speed, something like 30 seconds, to smooth the water right out. So hopefully that'll work, and if it's any good, we'll put it on the video after this, and then we're going to mooch around for another composition. So anyway, we'll see you a bit later. Right, we've come down to the beach, and we're trying to get a composition here, and you can see the camera there just on the rocks with the mountains behind, just trying to catch the movement of the waves. It's not something particular I've tried before, so I'm just trying it. How well it'll come out, I'm not quite sure. So yeah, we'll just go on a bit longer. Whether any colour, I don't know whether there's a bit of colour in the sky. So we'll try this. If it's any good, we'll put on the video after this. So anyway, we'll see you shortly. Right, well, if you've watched the video to the end here, thank you very much. If you've enjoyed it, please click the thumbs up, and why not subscribe. We left Skye early, so this is the only video at this time of Skye, and next week we'll be back in the Lake District. So we'll see you then.